How do you make a mascara stay longer? Question mark. Any mascara, this works with any mascara.
You're gonna do a coat of mascara and you want it to be wet.
This is our aloe setting powder. You're gonna take a loose powder, not pressed. I'm gonna say you want like a kind of small brush. You could use your powder brush. I'm gonna use the fluffier side of our double concealer brush. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of powder and I'm gonna press it onto my eyelashes. It might look kind of white. Don't worry, okay?
Then mascara on the other side. Then you're gonna take your setting powder and you're gonna pop it on wet lashes.
What that's doing is soaking up the moisture, right?
This is great for those mascaras where you love the ingredients, you love that they don't hurt your eyes, but maybe they flake, maybe they don't stay as well all day long.
And I'm not gonna say you waterproofed your mascara, but you like water resistanced up. You up-leveled the longevity of your mascara if that's a challenge for you. Mascara, a little powder, a little more mascara, and you wanna like hit under here pretty good. Talc free. So it's aloe, it's hydrating, it's good for your skin. You're not gonna look dry and cakey is my point. I hope that helped.